decided to go a very different route with this channel. The thing that you have to remember is you always have rights. Most people don't speak up. I think the most important thing is having good management. It's almost more important than living somewhere that looks really great. Intermittent fasting. I've been practicing for about 4 years. Our ancestors, periods of feast and famine. You go into ketosis. Your body goes straight to the stored fat. Not every body does well with fasting. Basically a hack, like a hamburger from 1999, little molecules of that burger are on your ass. You will never feel more alert and focused. Bottled water has been called the greatest con of the 20th century. Marketers have actually convinced people to buy something that is virtually free. You're paying 250 to 10,000 times more. When the oceans go, we go. That's it. And package it and transport it for what? The benefits you will reap from having a business, actual .gov website, and do it yourself. Agonized over, should I do Nevada or Wyoming? Remember that you are probably smarter than many people who have come before you. It's indicative of somebody who's at a stage 2 or 3 tribe. The victim language is not empowered. You've got a stage 1 at a prison or a halfway house. It's dog eat dog. I didn't see a sarcastic mug on her desk, but I bet she has the t-shirt or the mouse pad. Adults as big toddlers really who want to say no. No empowers us. Phrase your questions in a way that the other person can respond no. I got rid of all of my plastic Tupperware. You've heard of BPA. It's bisphenol A. This is some nasty stuff. It's obesity in children and adults. Don't drink the water. There's dioxin in the water. When your Uber driver offers you a little mini water bottle, it's processed, which is carcinogenic. I just have all my dry goods in, as you can see, reusable. I've even tweeted their product team, like, why do you make these stickers so awful? I love mason jars, adore Jar Bakery, that's my roots, OG Etsy. And high concentrated doses of pretty much pure blue light, highly disruptive to our circadian rhythms. Your melatonin is gonna be all jacked up. I can't believe how many bugs are out here. I will be reviewing 2 pairs of blue light blocking glasses if you're under fluorescent lights, like a construction worker's safety goggles. So block the blue light at night. If you are paying for anything with cash or debit cards, you're leaving money on the table. Don't carry a balance and don't ever pay interest. You've probably heard of the Chase trifecta. I've amassed hundreds of thousands of Chase Ultimate Rewards. The most powerful travel point, 3x rewards on this card, which is the first of the trifecta. But this free one gives you 5x points. Of course, the big hack is you go to the office supply store. 1 month they even had 13x. It was nuts. You can travel for free. Keep a backup Amex and use that when you go somewhere shady. If you have a business, you should be using one of the Chase Inc. credit cards. Big life changes in the last 18 months. On the other side of fear, is everything worth living for? How am I in my comfort zone right now? Jolt yourself out of it. You go and manage that Dairy Queen like your life depends on it. Because guess what? That's a Berkshire Hathaway company. At your first job, don't even worry about the money. Make sure that your boss knows what they're doing. Please Google how to do percentage change. You'd be shocked how many people with marketing in their job titles don't really know what marketing is. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.